Pagtuturo? Yan nga ba ang ginagawa ng mga guro sa paaralang ito?
Nak, may nakalimutan ka. Hi, ito na naman. Richwell, baunin mo itong ginawa kong puto at i-share mo sa mga kaibigan mo. Ito na naman! Di ba sabi ko po sa inyo ayaw ng mga kaklase ko ng ganyan? Pwede mo naman itong kainin. At tsak naman na... Akin na nga! Pasok na. Sige anak, ingat ka. Hi.
Oh, here na pala ang maid natin. Ang maid na mayaman ang pangalan, pero parang sa streets ang kinalakihan.
Parang I know her name. Is it Rich? Well?
Perfect! You got it.
Pwede ba?
Oh, wow! Look who's nagiging palaban mo.
Please, as if she can level with us naman.
Okay, everybody, can you please settle down so that we can start our class? Be thankful, dumating si Ma'am.
Ma'am, I would like you to give this and parang gusto ko rin pong magpatayo ng bagong building dito sa school.
Oh, tingnan mo naman kung gaano ka-generous ang parent na ito. So we're expecting you na patuloy mong alagaan ang anak niya.
Okay, class, it's time to hand all your works and we're looking for your outputs. As always, I never fail to be on top.
I know, right? I guess Ritual needs to keep up too, but she probably won't. Na kailangan na pumipasa.
Okay, I believe I have collected all your outputs and I would like to commend Miss LJ and Miss Christine for their outstanding performance. Okay, so dapat magtuloy-tuloy ang ganyan yung gawa. Class dismissed.
Since Teacher Crystal is already here, I want you to meet this new intern, Vince Barasi from Philippine Normal University.
Do you think nakatakas ka sa amin kahapon?
Girl, you're not. Lalo na tinglakas loob ka kahapon na sagutin kami. As if naman papayag kaming walang ganti, di ba?
What did she say again? Pwede ba?
Can you please let go from here, miss?
Hello, maybe you're the intern student, right? Hindi mo ako kilala.
You must know her, sir, before you enter this room. Especially her parents who have a lot of sponsors at the school.
I do not need to know you all, especially for the socio-economic status. What I'm trying to do here is para turuan kayo. You guys are all the same students, so basically, dapat same treatment ang natin.
Mahal ko ang trabaho ko, pero mas pangangalagaan ko ang reputasyon ko at ang kinabukasan ng mga bata sa paaralang ito.
Now, this is the third time, which, akala mo ba nakatakas kayo sa amin?
And that practice teacher, it looks like he's interested in you.
Don't go beyond us, okay? You know what? That slap is suitable for you to realize that you can fight against us.
Parang I want to do that lang din sa kanya.
Hey! Are you guys lost your mind? How do you even have the courage to slap your classmate? Ritual, right?
Yes po, sir.
So bakit hindi ka nagsumbong para masolusyonan yung mga pinagagawa nila sa'yo?
No, sir. Wala din naman pong magagawa yung mga teacher. Hindi nga rin po kinaya ni Teacher Cristel.
Ang landi niya, girl.
Baka ritual yan.
Isa pa yung practice teacher. Kabago-bago pa lang gumagawa na ng issue.
Tama ka dyan, sis.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good day, ma. Maupo ka muna. Ano yung natulong ko sa iyo? Did you encounter some problems inside your class?
Actually, ma'am, I'm here to raise that concern po. Because there's this girl na binubuli yung kanilang klase physically.
Oh, I'm so sorry that you encounter such behavior inside your class. Don't worry, I will reach them para mapagsabi.
Sige po, ma'am. Thank you so much po.
Hello? Miss Jago and Miss Briones, come to the office, right now.
What are you guys doing?
Kami po, ma'am.
Of course kayo. Sino ba bang tao dito sa office?
Bakit po, ma'am?
There is this teacher na nagsumbong sa akin na may binubuli kayo. At physically pa. Oh, I think the practice teacher. Siguro siya ang nagsumbong. Kind of protect the rich.
Sa susunod na hindi kayo mag-ingat at makakarating ito sa principal, you guys are grounded.
Noted po, ma'am.
O siya, sige na. Tumuloy na kayo sa mga klase niyo.
Thank you po, ma'am. Goodbye.
Oh, Miss Christina and Miss LJ, please take your seat. Answer the guide question on the board. We have a minute left since they could.
Later na lang yan, sis. Tapusin muna natin.
Okay, class time is up. Pass your papers forward.
Can I have your papers na po? Papasok ko na kasi sa harapan. Pasa mo na kasi, te.
Oh, ayan. Pasa mo na.
Okay, class dismissed. I will give it back to you if ma-check ko na yung mga papers niyo. Class, you may now go. Richwell, stay here. I want to talk to you.
Ano kaya sasabihin ni Sir Edens kay Ritual?
Maybe tutulungan niya sa mga activities.
Let's see.
Pakinggan natin.
Sige.
I noticed na bumababa yung grades mo lately. What's happening?
OMG, are they like having relationship?
Girl, I think they are.
Gosh, kilala ko yan.
Excuse me, ano nangyari dito?
Well. Look us here.
Hindi pa teacher, pero hindi na alam agad ang Code of Ethics for Professional Teacher.
Guys, ang practice teacher na to is having a relationship sa nag-iisang ritual ng klase natin.
Wait, hello? Tama ba ang narinig ko?
Ma'am, no po na misunderstood lang po nila mga pangyayari.
Ano na misunderstood? May proof kami. Ma'am Lobo?
Ma'am,
Follow me to my office, right now! Take your seat now.
Ma'am, I promise misunderstanding lang po lahat ng yun.
Na, you're aware naman siguro sa Code of Ethics for Professional Teachers, di ba?
Yes po, ma'am. Since napag-aralan po namin yun yung first year ako.
So bakit parang may mutual attraction and subsequent love develop na nagaganap sa inyo ng student mo? Tingnan mo to, oh.
Ma'am, I can't...
Stop! Ayoko nang marinig ang explanation mo. What I want you to do right now is to know and understand the relationship between teacher and student. Tingnan mo to, oh. They are starting to gossip about you and Richwell.
Ma'am, what about po sa nireklamo ko? Nagawa na po ba ng solusyon? Kasi para mas namaalala na yung pambubol.
I said stop! You may now leave this room, or we will not give you our evaluation or your grade of your demonstration.
Sige po, ma'am. Thank you po.
Make sure to read the Code of Ethics for Professional Teachers, especially Article 8, Section 7. Baka magsisi ka sa consequences nito.
Yes po, ma'am.
Napapansin mo na ba yung mga galawan ng teachers dito, lalo na yung assistant principal?
Opo, ayaw nga po nila i-bring up yung mga napansin ko sa classroom katulad ng bullying.
Etong magagamit mo itong matibay na ebidensya. Sa principal ka na dumiretso, wag na sa assistant principal.
Sige po. Bakit yung po nangyayari sa paaralan nito? Good day po, ma'am.
Oh, hi. Welcome ka. Who are you, by the way?
I'm a practice teacher po ng Philippine Normal University. And nandito pa po ako since last week. Yung magla-last day na po ako ngayon.
So, bakit ka nga ba nakarito? Pumunta ka na ba sa opisina ng assistant principal ko?
Yes po, ma'am. But I don't know if she can help me with my concerns.
What are your concerns ba, anak?
Ito po.
Ito ang nararapat sa inyo. Sa 5 araw ng klase, dito kayo pupunta at uupo magdamag.
Ma'am, 5 araw po at whole day kami dito.
Yes, and that's the consequences sa mga pinaggagawa ninyo. And also, babawasan ko ang grades nyo ng 10 points.
Ma'am, alam ko naman na nakagawa sila ng malaking kasalanan sa akin, pero unethical naman po itong parusang ginagawa niyo sa kanila.
Paano mo nasabing unethical? Di ba ikaw yung binubuli? Bakit parang pinoprotektahan mo sila?
Ma'am, alam ko naman po na binubuli nila ako, ngunit hindi ako masaya sa mga binibigay mong punishment sa kanila. Madami naman pong mga punishment na nararapat na ipataw mo sa kanila eh.
Ayon sa Section 1 ng Disciplinary Action, anumang paglabag sa Code of Ethics for Professional Teachers ay sapat na dahilan para bawiin ang lisensya mo, suspindihin ka o kansilahin ang permit mo. Alam mo yan, paano mo nagawang sirain ang tiwala ng mga bata at ng buong paaralan?